haria ha kiroto giaku ona gikono kaundu kamwe tu uwe by the way ri nyonaga andu aingi makianjiriria ukianjia we mwethiri na nituguka hau ni riri ukahingia kamwe rimwe wanjagia na tu small steps ni ndandikire ni gwika ukahingia twitaga tu small wins yes
and they are good and you have to celebrate them
niguo no ngomba kunengeria muhotani witu mbeca ciake nake gikungwire hotani wake hare thiini wa paybill ya 1371 account ukwandika Demwa K no rekira ciringi ciaku 99 no rehotania ciringi ira ngiri igana rimwe ngiri magana matatu kana ciringi ngiri 10 Elizabeth Njoki niwe wehotanire ciringi ngiri magana matatu na niwe gandiki munengeria Njoki we mwega
ni kwega muno
we mwena uriko Njoki witu
ni ndi mwena wa Naikuru handu hetagwo
Bangladesh dana kuigua
hau niho njikaraga
niki wikaga
guku no biacara
no guo kuhaso haha na haria
haha na haria ndagia mitumba
mitumba ni miega njiguaga andu ramendagia mitumba membia
membia no ti uguo muno tigiragikorwo
ni njega ndwiyagitie
ni mathiagagia
na riu thera gukuongerera ingi tondu ni ukigeretie munyaka waku
ni kugeretie munyakai ni kugeretie munyaka ha 1371
niguo riu ngiri magana matatu ni ciaku cia gikaru ciongerereka
gai ati magana matatu
yes
riu ni nie guku ndiraiga thengio mamwathani
no arakuwa ni mawirima
guku ni nie nguthi ndiyandikite ha ni ndambia mamwathani na thimu ndakena muno ma ni kugeretie muno
asante no kiene ihinda rĩega na thigũkũ yaku ĩkwagĩrĩre
na inyuĩ taguo rĩu niĩ nĩ ngũkũrĩra gabũrima nĩ gũtonga
ndĩrahutĩka asante aya ucio nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Njoki kũrĩkora na Naikuru ngũire harĩa hothe ũrĩ no ũgerie no ũkorwo wĩ mũhotani ũgerie mũnyaka waku na ũgakorwo ũkĩrĩ mũhotani tũragĩthiĩ na mbere kwaria ciĩgiĩ kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo goals ciaku gũcitua gũcirũmĩrĩria na tũtanaikĩrie tũkoragia ũhoro wa kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo mentorship na ndiũĩ ka ũũ nĩ ũndũ wĩkaga tondũ nĩ njũĩ wĩkaga maũndũ maingĩ ĩrĩa-inĩ itiganĩte ngũbia nĩ ũharũkagia nyingĩ but bata wa riu ngiandika maundu thi wa guikara thi na mundu mugutirithania nake ukoragwo wiha nigetha maundu mau makinye tondu ngihota wi wika
ndungihota wi wika riu mentorship ri iteithagiriria tondu he mundu ugukuhold accountable he mundu uramenya kioneki giaku ni kiriko na ni muraikaranga mukiroraga ukinyitie ha so you are not on your own ndure wike na he mundu urakomenta ri ni kuga o ni mundu uthiete kabere mbere yaku koguo nionete maingi na no ahote gukwira haha ndukagere tondu haha ni ukugwa irima gera haha koguo na wa set goals ri no mura walk nake nigetha agukuonererie makinya maria ugukinya hau ni hateithagia muno na kiria gitumaga ona andu aingi na mbeu njithi ona ithuĩ tũrĩre kiria twakiri anini ri ni kwaga mundu wa gukunyita guoko mundu wa gukumenta mundu wa gukuonia kinya haha iko ndukagere hau ni twagaga no riu thiku ici ri kwina opportunities na as an individual you have to seek out a mentor ndugeterera mundu oke akwire by the way no gumente aca niwe wimenye uge atiriri no mundu uria ri kuringana na uria ndimuonaga ri gwiciria no andeithie you seek out that person nigetha akuhold guoko na akuonie haha niho wagirire kugeria
kana ni muwaine kana mutiuwaine
mutomhaka mumenyane asa but now you have to now seek this person and build a relationship because a mentor also needs to be your friend of some sort nigetha ukoro ni uramwira maundu maria you know urona magikugia okay achieve these goals you know you have to somebody who needs to be free with
wow kuo he bata muno gukorwo na mundu
he bata
wanathie gabere gaku
he bata I cannot overemphasize he bata mundu urakurora uguo akona potential yaku na agakwira potential no yaku ri ungika ABCD UB very far nyugukinya because nitwagaga andu a ku point out our potential na tukoerera tondu gutire mundu wa identify ire kiheo kiria twina kio kana maundu maria tungihota ku achieve muturire-ini
Ngwetari horo wa environment kana andu aria makurigiceirie na kuria gukurigiceirie tondu maundu ma goals psychology karia kanini njui ni maundu internal kugo marauma na thiini no mari affectwo ni maundu ma nanja kugo ri fata wa gukorwo maundu ma na thiini mara tondu wahota gukorwo na kioneki no aria makurigiceirie ona matirona fata wa kioneki kiu in fact no kiuraga so ungerealize we situation ni teo ri gukorwo ukimenya haha ndirateithika nguma haha thie haha
wikaga uguo
yes
kwiragwo mucera na mukundu
akundu kagotake
niguo riu ri ni andu ariku withiururukiirie nao nyonie arataku atano na ningumenya we mundu wa muthemba gani so andu aria withiururukiirie nao ri
ni makandu kagwa kwege tu
muno evaluate your friendships critically we uyu ri Wanjiku uyu ri what does she bring into my life Muthoni ri niki arehaga muturire-ini wakwa uyu ri niki arehaga do they bring in positive energy or negative energy tondu oria waiga no ukorwo na kioneki no menye aratari kaingi tuthiaga gucia kioneki na ki na arata family na arata ndu wahota guthi kwira mundu kioneki giaku no angikorwo mutire page imwe ono gukuharurukia kwira ai ndungihota
wiguite ku
no uri we kondu tucio kio tangiambiriria hanini before you know it haya ukona by the way kendreciragia atia ai how
ne hada mbegu ya doubt ya guika
mbegu ya doubt na reke ngwire ndui kiria kingira meciria-ini maku kiu nikio meciria ni ta factory kiingira ri it begins to cook to get manufactured nginyagia manifest that which you have put koguo angikorwo wekirwo mbegu ya doubt ukwambiriria riu kwiyona ona wa kaundu gothe ukona hayo na nianga ndiraciragia kuraihu muno
na harahona issue ingi ona ya partners mundu na mugotithania nake muturire-ini kana ni muthuri kana ni mutumia matua mau ni maramata wahoboka
the goodest
60 literally yeah
it's critical and I'll talk about maybe spousal relationships. You have to be careful. Who are you getting
yoked with? Muranyitana nao. No uyu.
Mundu uyu ni mundu urona kioneki giaku na agakuhe handu ha gukinya nigetha akwambararie kana ni mundu ura wikurukia. You have to be very alert. Who are you getting involved with? Tado no amenya, unlike friendships, you can break friendships very easily. No uge muthoni ri kuringana na uria turatwarithania ri nyaratuma nge na meciria matari mega. Koguo riu muthoni ndigucoka kumuhurira thimu. But it's different when a spouse tado uyu ni muohanio and it takes time for you. I mean, unless you know to get to the point where you have to be separated, ni mundu mugwikara nake muno. Na koguo no muhaka ukorwo ukimenya mundu ni wa guku build kana ni wa guikurukia thi tado cioneki nyingi ni ikwite ihiko-ini tado uthia kehiko-ini kana we muthuri kana we mutumia no angikorwo mundu uria mwenake ndaragu support ndarakuhe encouragement ndarakuhe kindu gitagwo approval you know mundu ni nda kwirwo hey you're doing a good job even when you have failed don't worry next time you do it differently you get better. I like your zeal you know you are very new way mundu handu you know he maundu ngirwa affirmations yani ona utari ho ukorwo ho
ugacoka ho
so you need somebody who can affirm you, who can help you, who can lift you, who can encourage you, who can speak greatness into your life.
Mundu kwaria maundu
manene
na tigo guchocha ni bali arona
tigo ona giguchocha gari ni tondu ni arakwendera maundu ke na ni arona we na potential kuri andu maingiraga kihiko-ini manyihite muno no mangiona mundu wa kuma encourage you andå ao na
in fact na ndio nä twaragia nake andå må akorwo yes ukahika but warä na iroto nene wanjätie gupika iko nä wä ra-inä biacara yaku nä yanjätie gutheba nä warä na iroto ciaku ukahana ta wahwererekera na wathira kuri mundu ungi ungiingira ukore mundu gwetereirio u akwambararie where were you
na as a result ukeyona ni weka atia ni wa flourish you know they are two different
na gode twaria horo wa riri kaingi hona ni twaria twi off air wa miaka tondu kaingi you know angikor utoire wikaga tondu ndui na information no haria wagutukiro karia ndirate Woi dire gato komiri tae kana gifao kana whatever
ni njenda kuheana example with my own life because me I have learnt life
the hard way
ni ndagutukire ndina miaka 30
ati
ngeyuria haya ingibutwo umuthiri what would I do
tondu we wakoretwo wi wira kuma wakiuma college
nye kuma nye ndire ndakorwo na thina wa wira by God's grace I have had the favor for good jobs koguo ndari na wira mwega na ngiyuria riu maingibutwo wira ri ingirora nako ndina nyumba njega ya gukombora
na mwene
na ndina ngari ya kwirorerwo that's all I had that's all I had and I want a plot on that working on that working life that's all I had koguo ni ndekarire na ngicurania muturira wakwa and I started doing things differently na niho twaiga horo wa age if you come to the realization that dwe haririe muturira-ini when you are late or when you are older riu maundu maria ugwika ni kuhanyuka you can't afford to be careless
na guteanga mathaa
ndungite mathaa ndungianaga mbia you have to be frugal ni kuga ati ni wenyitie mucibi biu
twakire twenyitie mwako uyu
ndungithiaga tuona ka handbag kego kagura wona karatu kego kagura you can't you don't have that luxury ni kuga ati riri ngari ino ni gwikara nayo miaka 5 kana 7 ndikumicenjia
tondu we ni uramenya ni kiurenda
angikorwo ta riu ni hindi yo ri at the age of 30 I was living in a 4-bedroom house in the DSQ
yari nginya
na ndari single
we na soft life motwaranaga uguo
ndaumire ngithia apartment ya 2 bedrooms so I had to sober up
no ginya wete kamucemanio
ndaitire kamucemanio and I sobered up
process yo ni ukoragwo editu muno na niho gweka tuke ya kurealize he maundu urekaga kinyume ni wathi handu ukaerwo cigo ni mundu gecoko kiureka kari kito ukaigua ngoro yarika muno kwioya kuma hau na gwitikira ati nima ni nie ndekinyitie haha na ndiroi na no nginya ndiyunganie
no muhaka wirute
ho yahanaga tondu ndingiri matubaga
andu ingi ni matubaga riu uria wikaga ri number 1 ni kwamba kumenya muturire waku ni your responsibility and don't worry about what people will say tigana na andu tondu andu mekuria atiri Jane araumire nyumba ya bedroom 4 arathi
kuhihinyiriria
to bedroom 2 what is her problem you know people will not realize what you have realized so run your race ihenya ni riaku we ni uramenya kuri ora
na kuria umite
andu mugage atiriri ai na Jane gakari ni gakurire na nyene ndarirwo guo by the way because I used to drive a very old car at that point in fact dakinyire handu na ngari yakwa ngimiendia igituika mugunda so I was actually riding a borrowed car for years
ni kuhoya wahoya riu
ti kuhoya research ni ya family riu ndakioete ngari ya family riu yo niyo ndagitwara for years that's what I drove I decided I was not going to upgrade until such a point jigwe dina real foundation I had to create a foundation kamuthingi atire wona maundu mangihuanika ri ndigutufa kana ndikugwa yes.
Na wagwe tondu wa bata muno wa mundu guthii hinya riake tondu gwiciria thaa ici twi mahenya he andu ingi muno me mahenya-ini mene
we live life for others. Twendaga gwika maundu maria marekwo ni andu aria angi. We are not authentic.
Ti henya ndurata kukuria umite na kuria urathi.
We nduremenya wona non season aragurire gakari kero ndwe aragurire atia ugathie ugeka atia ukagura na kiwiru gitari kiega kiu nikio gitongoretie ki andu ati ni urenda kuhuanana na uyu ni urenda kuhuanana na ucio ngi so ukaga focus ya muturire na focus ino yagaga o ringi twambiririe horo wa goals. If you don't have goals, anything and anyone will move you to do whatever it is that you'll do.
They got a tuma crash course ya refresher ya kurikania maundu ma muturire na ndigado muno ona ndikio ndwikaga maundu maingi nje hiyo tutaririe nigetha tukumenya ona kwa mundu angikuona ni waragiria andu mathukuru-ini all those
reke njuge ni njaragiria andu ndona forum ndikiambiriire guthie macukuru-ini aggressively. You know, it's not something but it's something I would want to do. One of the things it's one of the goals that I need to revive. Ni ndaugaga no nyendage kwariria andu kuma encourage maundu ma muturire. Motivation, you know, because there's something I have that I can share and tomorrow mundu ni akaririkana.
Atwire kwa tugikuruta.
Okay, nye njitagwo Jane Nyambura wa Fayo na kambuni yako witagwo Amara Realty. Na no shamanya na idwe hara Jewel Complex, second floor, next to TRM Thika Road Mall at the Roysambu roundabout. Ogeda kwaraniria na idwe na thimbo 0721260000. Isho namba citu cia wabici.
Niguo. Ni ngatho muno makiria.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, na mwathani akurathime kuongera ugi muingi.
Asante.
Mwiroreri wa Kameme TV twetikire tukinyie hau tikore tungenda guthianga na mbeto tondu ni ndireti njega muno makiria tuma uikare thi urore muturire waku na urore na njira ndikadikiru no mathaa maitu na matigutitikiria nigetha tukinyukie ikinya riu ringi twarie ciigie thigithigi cia mihaka na twarie horo wa mihaka ya migunda tondu gutire mundu tendete kugitira muhaka wake no ni guthiaga gigoka gitaraire ni utindikirwo uyu ni agutindikire mundu ni okire ni agwakirire ndoni ungi urakirirwo na kerekira ruthingo runene tukunyitania na survey kigathi nigetha twarie maundu mau na no gukunengeria shekeri ciringi 300 ciringi 100 kana ciringi 10 either of that is a bonus hara thini wa paybill yaku ni 137171 account name ogwikira Demwa K no